Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our EVS class. Today we will continue our lesson number 18, our festivals. India is a very big country and the people of India speak different languages, practice different religions and celebrate different festivals. Festivals are the time of fun and celebrations. It is the time for sharing and caring. People wear new clothes, make delicious sweets and special food to share with their friends and relatives. In the previous two modules, you have learnt about national festivals and harvest festivals. Today, in this module, we will continue with the religious festivals. We Indians are proud to be a part of a secular country. We follow and respect all religions, and most of our religious festivals follow the seasons. Religious festivals are celebrated by particular religion. For example, Holi, Eid ul-Fitr, Dashera and Durga Puja, Diwali, Guru Purab, Christmas and Navroz. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors and is celebrated in March. This festival of colors marks the victory of good over evil. On the eve of Holi, people light bonfires, they do Holika Dahan, and next day they play with colored powder called gulal and water. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated by the Muslims. This festival is celebrated to mark the end of Ramzan. During Ramzan, people fast for 30 days. On Eid, people go to the mosque. They offer their special prayers called namaz and prepare a special dish called sevaiya. Dashera or Durga Puja. Dashera marks the victory of good over evil. It celebrates the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana, the king of Lanka. In Bengal, it is called Durga Puja and people they worship goddess Durga. The celebrations last for the 10 days and these days are called Navratras. Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights and it marks the onset of the winter seasons. On this day, Lord Rama returned to the Ayodhya after defeating Ravana. People clean their homes, they make beautiful rangolis, they wear new clothes, eat sweets and visit friends and relatives. They light up their homes with diyas, candles and neon lights. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is the festival of the Gurus and is celebrated by the Sikhs. The birthday of all 10 Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purab. The birthday of the first Guru, the founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak, is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti. On this day, Sikhs take out large processions in towns and cities. They go to the Gurdwaras to offer their prayers. They distribute free food to the poor through langars and langars are prepared in the common kitchens. Christmas. This is the most important festival of the Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of the Jesus Christ. Special prayers are held in the churches. People decorate Christmas trees and exchange gifts. Christmas carols are sung. Children wait for Santa Claus to give them gifts. Navroz. Navroz or the Parsi New Year is celebrated on 21st March. This day marks the end of the winter season and the beginning of the spring season. So it is celebrated by the Parsis. Besides these festivals, we also celebrate Buddha Purnima, the birthday of Lord Buddha, Mahavir Jayanti, the birthday of Lord Mahavir, Tej, Janmashtami, the birthday of Lord Krishna, Ganesh Chaturthi, Bhakar Eid and Raksha Bandhan, the bond of love between brother and sister. Social celebrations are an essential part of living in a society. It strengthens mutual bonding and brings unity, peace and harmony in families, society and the nation. Festival bring us together. We should celebrate all festival with full fun and joy. Let us recap what we have learnt in this chapter. A large number of festivals are celebrated in India. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are national festivals. Baisakhi, Pongal, Bihu, Onam are all harvest festivals. There are number of religious festivals celebrated by different religious groups of our country. Thank you, children.